Morning children, welcome to our online class. This is 8th standard maths, first chapter numbers. Today we are going to see exercise 1.1, fifth Roman letter. Draw a number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Okay, listen. Before the video we seen they are given the number line. We are going to find the rational numbers. In this Roman letter, they are given the rational numbers. They are asking how to represent the rational numbers into a number line. So first I am going to change this improper fraction. This is the improper fraction. Improper fraction means what is that? Numerator is greater than denominators. So this is the improper fraction. The improper fraction first I am going to change to mixed fractions. How? You know how to change that? Yes, take divided. Divided is best used for the find mixed fraction. So I am taking 9 and 4. 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4. How many times 4 come 9? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So what is the whole number? Mixed fraction we have the whole number, numerator and denominator. Which one is whole number? Yes, quotient is called the whole number. So 2 is whole number. Then denominator, what is the denominator of that in that side? Same denominator, 4. Then numerator is equal to remainder. Remainder is called the numerator. Then 2 1 by 4. So how is it in represent in that number line? First you're going to see the what is the whole number? 2. So taken in this place, 2 place. 2 we write this pots. We can take the pots in between 2 and 3. The 2 and 3 we should separate the pot. How many pots is there? 4. So we can write 4 pots here. We separate 4 pots. 1, 2, 3. Then this is also 4. So okay, 4 pots is there. So which one is which value is this? 1. So numerator is 1. So this pots is this is the value of this pots. Is it clear? This is 2 1 by 4. That means this is pot is represent 9 by 4. Is it clear? This pot is represent 9 by 4. Then going to the next sums. Minus 8 by 3. Same method we will follow. Take divided using rough column. Okay. Then take the divider. So 8 divided to 3. And how many times? 2 3s are 6. 6 take 6 minus 8 minus 6 gets 2. Okay. So what is the mixed fraction here? Whole number is equal to 2 because quotient is whole number 2. So remainder as it is denominator as it is, remainder is equal to numerator 2. So minus is there, so minus. This is the negative place, so you should take in the negative sides. So the rational numbers lies between minus 2 to minus 3. In that side, the rational numbers lies between the minus 2 and minus 3. So how many parts totally have? 3. So I will separate 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, Then which place? 2. Take 2. Second place 1 and 2. This is the value of this rational numbers, minus 8 by 3. Is it clear? Then next one is minus 17 and minus 5. So both numerator and denominator have the minus. So I cancel minus here. So it becomes changed to plus 17 by 5. So next step, what is the next step? Change to mixed fraction. So take the mixed fraction, numerator take that 17 and denominator 5. So how many times? 5 ones, so 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. I'm going to separate in both number. I get 2. So what is that here? What is the mixed fraction? 3 whole number, denominator 5 and numerator 2. This is the positive value, so taking on this side. So 3, the fraction lies between 3 above means we can take one more line. 4 also we should take. So 3 to 4, the rational numbers between 3 to 4. So how many parts we can separate? Yes, denominator, see the denominator 5. So draw the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is also 5. Okay, then which one we can going to find? Second one. So second part, where is the second part? Here. So this is one second part. So the 17 by is represent this place. Okay, 17 by 5. 17 by 5. Is it clear, children? The next fourth one is minus have denominator have minus. Don't worry anything. Same like we will going to find that. Take the divided and then 15. Oh God. 15 4. 15 divided by 4. How many times? 3 times only. Having that 15. So 3 4s are 12. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. So what is the whole number here? Whole number is equal to remainder. Take remainder 3. Sorry, take quotient. Quotient is called a whole number. What are the denominator have? Same denominator. You should write here 4. Then numerator, remainder is called the numerator 3. And then see one thing, here minus have, so put the minus in front of this number. Take how to represent in the number line. The minus 3 it have means, so the rational numbers lies between minus 3 to 4. So how many parts we can separate? 4 parts. How is it? Draw 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This parts also according among them. So then next see the numerator third one. So we should take the third one part. Which one is 1, 2, 3? This is 1. So this part is represent the, what is that? 15 minus 4. 15 minus, divided 4. Okay, is it clear, children? How do you represent the rational value in that number line? Okay, so let us go to the next Roman letter. Write the decimal form of the following rational numbers. They are given the rational numbers. We are going to see the decimal form. How do you find that? Using divided form. Use and find the decimal numbers. So, okay, take divide. 1 minute. Divide. Okay. Then take 11 and 1. Okay. Then see. We cannot divide at 1 by 11 because 1 is smaller than 11. So less than 11. So I will put decimal point. Decimal point, it will help at 10. Then see, here also we cannot divide it 10 by 11. Again 10 is less than 11. So we want add one more 0. So add 1 0. It is possible to, we cannot add anything in the quotients because that possible to have, we have the point here, means it is possible to add one more 0 in that place. Okay, 100 is there. In now we can divide it. How many times line 11s are? Okay, 1 minute, I made one mistake. We should put the 0 here because in the point I put the 0 in that place. So you should, again I want to add the one more 0, means I should add 0 in that place. Already I had 1 0, so again I want one more 0, means you put the 0 here. Okay, sorry, 0 is not properly. I put the 0 properly. Then see. So how many times now? Let's see. How many times 9 11s are? So 9 11s are 99. 9 11s are 99. Minus, I change the sign. I get the answer 1. Again, I can add 1 0 because here decimal points is I had 1 0. But I want one more 0. You should add here 1 0. So here also 1 0. Then same thing. How many times? 9 times. 9 times, what is the answer? 99. So continuously it come repeated numbers. See, 99. Sorry, minus put here. The answer come here 1. Okay, then continuously that same process will come. So I will stop here. What is the decimal number of 1 by 11 is equal to, I'm going to write there because we are not the place. So equal to 0.0909 etc. That means the same number will become. Okay, is it clear? What is the decimal of a 1 by 11? Same thing. Second sum also be like that. Using the divided form, draw the divided line. Okay. Then take that 13 divided by 4. 13 divided by 4. Okay, how many times you know? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are, sorry, 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Is it correct now? 3 okay, 3 4s are 12. So I'm taking 3. 3 fours are 12. 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. Okay, is it clear? Then I cannot divide it 1 by 4, so I want one more number, so I put the decimal point here. I should put the 0. It is possible to put the 0. If the point is given the chance to add 0 here, then how many times? 2. 2 fours are 8. So then I put the 8 here and going to minus, and 10 minus 2 gives 2, and I will add 0. I can add because here point is that. Then 4 how many times? Yes, 5 times. 5 fours are 20. So 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. It's finished. They not continue, the continues again, repeated again. It is the finite number, it is finite. So this is the answer of this number is equal to 3.25. Okay, then next sum, minus 18 by 7. Same thing, we're going to take the decimal value. Okay, then take the minus 18 here, no? So put the 18, afterwards put that minus 18. So put the 18 here, take the 7, 18 divided by 7. 7 how many times? 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 18 minus 14 is equal to, sorry, minus 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. Then I want to one more number, because 7 is 4 is cannot divide it by 7, so I put the point here. It's a point, it means we can add 1 0 with this number. 40. What is the value? 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. And I subtract the both number, it gives 5. Again I had 1 0, 50 came, and 50 how many times? 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49, and then minus, I do the minus. 50 minus 49 gives 1. Again I had one more 0. 10. 10 how many times? 1 sevens are 7. Minus, do the minus. 10 minus 3 is equal to, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Again I had one more 0, 30. 30 means, what is the answer? 4 sevens are 28. So 4 gives 4. 4 sevens are 28. Listen. It comes continuously. 1 minute. I change that. How much is possible? Don't know that. Okay. 28 minus 30 minus 28 gives 2. Again I had one more 0. 20 how many times? 2 sevens are, sorry, 2 sevens are 14. Again 2. 2 sevens are 14, no. So this also reduces. So 2 sevens are 14. I again taking subtract in both number. It gives 6. Again I will add 1 0. What is the number? What is that? 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. So 8. 8 sevens are 56. How long it's going on? See, 56 minus, it cannot stop. It's not stop. Okay. 460 minus 56 gives 4. Again I had one more 0, 40. 40 how many times? 5 sevens are 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. Already we have done the steps before. Where? Which second step? We done this less than 40 minutes. So it shows that the remaining 5 after what are the number is, so 714. So it will come again repeated one more time. The 714 is coming. So I will stop here. Stop then. So what is the decimal number? This one 2.574 574 and 2 8. Okay, if I one more time come now, so 2 8 I put the etc symbol. Is it clear? Then going to the next stem, here have mixed fraction is there 1 5 2. So first I am going to change to improper fraction. How? 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 by 5, 7 by 5. So next step I am going to divide it. Keep it 7 inside the box, 5 outside. So 7 by 5 I can divide how many times? 1 times. Put the 1 here and then 7 minus 5 gives equal to 2. I cannot divide it, so I'll add decimal point here. I can add it 1 0 in. It's possible to divide 20 by 5. How many times? 4 5s are 20. It stopped. Okay, it's 20 0. Then what is the decimal number is that? 1.4. And next number, fifth one, this also be like that mixed fraction. First step change to improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. Here have minus, I put the minus. Then I am going to divided. Take the divided 7 and 2. How many times came? 3 2s are 6. 6. So minus 2 the minus 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Again I cannot divide it 1 by 2. I had the decimal point 0 point. We can add 0 here. So 10. 10 means how many times? 5 2s are 10. Okay, it is over. 5 2s are 10. So 10 minus 10 gives 0. It is over. Very nice. So what is the answer here? What is the decimal number of this? 3.5. Okay, is it clear children how to divide this number? Thank you very much.